Have you ever felt like certain fears, patterns, or emotions keep showing up in your life no matter how much you try to heal? That's because your shadow self holds the key to your deepest transformation. And guess what? Your astrology chart can show you exactly where your hiding wounds and your greatest power lie here. Today, we'll dive deep into how to use astrology for shadow work so you can break free, so you can heal, and you can step into your most empowered self. Hello, my name is Alejandra, and this would be the first segment. What is shadow work? The shadow self is a concept from psychologist Carl Jung referring to the unconscious pattern of our psyche that holds repressed emotions, fears, desires, and past wounds. These are aspects of ourselves that we may deny, suppress, or feel ashamed of, and often due to childhood conditions or societal expectations. Rather than disappearing, this hidden part of us manifests in our triggers, self sabotaging behaviors, and emotional reactions. Shadow work is a process of bringing these unconscious patterns to light, accepting them, and integrating them for deep healing and transformation. In astrology, placements like Pluto, the 8th house, the South Node, and Black Moon Lilith can reveal where our shadows reside, guiding us toward self mastery and empowerment. Astrology is a powerful tool for uncovering hidden patterns because it serves as a cosmic blueprint of our psyche, revealing unconscious wounds, karmic cycles, and areas of deep transformation. And unlike traditional self reflection, astrology provides a structured map of where your shadow self operates and how it manifests in your life. So, here's why astrology is so effective for shadow work. It reveals your deepest wounds. Planets like Pluto, Chiron, and Saturn expose your deepest fears, past traumas, and areas where you feel restricted. It shows karmic patterns. Your South Node and Black Moon Lilith highlights past life, wounds, and repeats repeated behaviors that keep you stuck. It guides your transformation. Your North Node, 8th house, and Pluto show where you are meant to evolve by facing your fears and integrating your shadow. It can also make the unconscious conscious. The 12th house and the moon reveal hidden emotions, subconscious programming, and what needs healing for true self awareness. And by using astrology for shadow work, you can decode recurring challenges, identify triggers, and work with cosmic energy to heal and evolve. Instead of feeling stuck in unconscious cycles, it's like having a spiritual roadmap to self mastery. So, the connection between shadow work and deep transformation are inseparable, especially when viewed through the lens of Scorpio and the 8th house energy. These placements are all about death and rebirth, not in the literal sense, but in terms of identity shifts, ego deaths, and emotional alchemy. Let's look at Scorpio energy and shadow work. Scorpio rules the depths of the psyche, hidden truths, and subconscious fears. It thrives in the darkness, pushing you to confront the parts of yourself that you suppress or that fear the most. This is why scorpionic energy is magnetically drawn to transformation, because true power is found in embracing the shadows rather than avoiding them. And now, the 8th house, the house of death and rebirth. The 8th house is where you experience deep psychological shifts, intense emotional healing, and karmic lessons tied to control, power, and vulnerability. Shadow work is essential here because resisting these transformations lead to stagnation, fear, and destructive cycles. And by embracing leads to rebirth, empowerment, and spiritual mastery. So, why is shadow work the key to transformation? You can uncover hidden wounds, you heal emotional triggers, and self-sabotage. You release control and ego mat attachments. You surrender leads to true empowerment. You embrace change. Scorpio in the 8th house showed that destruction leads to rebirth, and you step to your power. The more you integrate your shadow, the more whole and magnetic you become. So, working with Scorpio in the 8th house through astrology based shadow work helps you to transform pain into wisdom, wounds into power, and fear into self mastery. Now that you understand what the shadow self is and why astrology is such a powerful tool for uncovering hidden patterns, you can start seeing your chart as a mirror to your soul's deepest lessons. Shadow work isn't about judging yourself, it's about self awareness, healing, and transformation. In the next part, I'll dive into the key astrological placements that reveal your shadow self and how you can work with them to unlock deep transformation. So, if you're ready to explore your Pluto, Lilith, South Node, and more, keep watching. And if this is already resonating, let me know in the comments. What emotions or patterns do you feel like you keep repeating? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next part.